Mumbai is likely to witness major traffic snarls and chaos through the day today. There's a mega march by the Marathi community. Over 3 lakh people from across the state are expected to assemble in Mumbai and demand reservation in jobs and education. Their demands include amendment in the SC/ST bill to stop its misuse, a loan waiver to curb farmer suicides, and a higher price for agricultural produce. The Maratha Kranti Morcha will begin its march from BMC's Jijamata Udyan, and then it will culminate at Azad Maidan in South Mumbai. Several arterial roads and flyovers in the city, which will be used by protesters, will remain out of bound for traffic. Schools have been shut in South Mumbai as a precautionary measure. The Central Railways too has made elaborate arrangements to deal with the rush which is expected to come for this rally.
Maharashtra's biggest morcha, Maratha Morcha, has arrived to Maximum City, Mumbai, where you can see the volunteers here of Maratha Morcha, the organizer. They are gathered here to handle the crowd, a big crowd of almost thousands of crowds that's already been arrived here at Baikala Zoo location. You can see people here gathered since last night, where they have been kept in a location like Navi Mumbai, Thane and many other places. They spend their night and they have arrived at this particular location to gather in a large number, and we have been said that almost around more than 1 lakh people will be participating in this Maratha Morcha, and that Morcha would be moving towards Azad Maidan. So the preparation has been done, the police bandobast has been done. More than 7,000 police people would be here to handle the entire law and order situation, even the traffic management. But the significant part of this morcha is that the organizer make sure that all this the entire morcha would be very silent. There would be no narebaji, no kind of any kind of slogan or anything. The entire demand of this Maratha people who are coming from different districts of Maharashtra is that to implement Maratha reservation in Maharashtra, and also to give a verdict, a final verdict against the accused of Kopardi incident. So there are many other issues related to Maratha, but these people have done this kind of a morcha in different districts of Maharashtra, and this time they have first time arrived in Mumbai to show their entire strength, and we are expecting that more than 1 lakh people would be gathering here, and they would be moving toward South Mumbai, that is toward Azad Maidan. With camera person Sai Prasad Patil, Virendra Singh Gunawat in Mumbai for India Today.